Olive oil is a staple in many healthy diets, and for good reason. It is a rich source of monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to have numerous health benefits. According to a study by Harvard, regular consumption of olive oil has been associated with a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. Monounsaturated fats, like those found in olive oil, have been shown to lower cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and lower blood pressure. In addition to its potential heart health benefits, olive oil is also a rich source of antioxidants, which can help protect the body from free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and diabetes. In addition to its potential health benefits, olive oil is also a tasty and versatile cooking oil. It can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads and pastas to grilled meats and vegetables. So the next time you're looking for a healthy cooking oil, consider using olive oil. It's not only delicious, but it may also have numerous health benefits for your body. Thank you for watching.